Welcome back, shop rats. Today we're putting in our clutch and brake pedal assembly, just temporarily, but just converting it to make sure everything fits like it should. Let's watch the show intro. We'll see you in just a few seconds. I'm Mike, and this is My Car's Shop.
Working out of a 100-year-old refurbished barn, bringing 35 years of experience to projects considered beyond repair. Vision, creativity, and problem solving are essential tools in this place. Watch as we transform junk into polished metal miracles. This is My Car's Shop.
The job that I have been dreading and putting off for quite a while is stripping everything out of the underdash area of the car. I don't know why. Sometimes you just get a mental block on something. Well, obviously I have a mental block on my neck. But today's the day I need to get this brake pedal out because, well, for one thing, I need to be able to clean up everything up in here and get it painted and de-rusted and all that. But we also have this little unit here with two pedals instead of one. And, well, this one has a stick that will be stirring gears and so forth. So we need these pedals to go in this car eventually. So today we're going to get that out of there so we can have more room to work on the floor pans as we move forward on that part of the project. Always use the proper tool for the job. One thing I did do was go through and soak all of these nuts and bolts, or nuts and bolts with this aero coil. One part I forgot to do was on the brake, the master cylinder. So just taking that bolt out right now, I hope. Yep, good. Pop lickers in there. Maybe. Yeah. There we go. She's out. And just like that, she's in. So now we have clutch pedal, brake pedal, etc. Now it's not going to be staying in there, but I just wanted to show you what it's going to look like and so forth when it's in. And it's all good. So pretty excited about that. I need to get it all cleaned up. And of course I want all this stuff out of the way because when I work up in there, I'll be hitting my head on these studs, and well, I don't have that much room to put that many rooster crows in a video. So, you know what I'm saying? I think you know what I'm saying. Well, that's some good progress. I have been cleaning like a clean freak to get things pushed back and back in place and get cars moved around because we got snow. The GTS has been outside for about a week. Yes, the motor's been covered up and stuff, so not hurting anything, but I need to get that car put in today because we're supposed to get some more bad weather. So I needed to get all the 413 stuff cleaned up and got to move the crate motor box around a little bit yet so I can get a car in here, but I did want to give you some content. But more than that, I quite frankly was selfish. I really wanted to just get this done. I was dreading this job. It was not nearly as bad as I thought it was going to be. Usually those bolts don't come loose so easily, and you end up fighting and busting knuckles and, well, just, you know, lots of rooster crows, like I said. So didn't really want to go there, but got her done, and so I'm just going to gather up all my stuff here. What's coming next on this car probably is going to be fitting the 4-speed shifter into the center hump before I go further on the fabrication and installation of all of that. I've got my non-console pistol grip shifter that we're going to use in a console, and I have completely the wrong shifter boot. I found one here in my stash of stuff, so I've soaked it down with some stuff to make the rubber better. It's still dripping. But I need to get this in the floor, and in order to do that, I need to take the hump back out. I need to get the tail section of the transmission, which is down here, bolted back up in approximate position so I know exactly where I want to cut the hole for the smaller boot and make sure that everything is copacetic and not so pathetic. I was hoping to get that done today, but I'm just out of time with all the time I spent organizing and cleaning, which needed to be done. I needed to push the walls back. So that's going to do it for this one. I know it's a short one, but remember, our philosophy here is one little bite at a time. Even if you don't have a lot of time to actually work on the project, do a little something and move yourself one step closer. So that'll do it. I'm going to pull this pedal assembly back out of here because I don't want it in the way when I start working back on the floors. But we'll catch you on the next one. Oh, we're over on the face thing, /mycarshop. We're on the you thing, of course, because you're here, /mycarshop. And we're over on Instagram, /mycarshop. She likes us.
She gives us cookies and stuff, I guess.
All right, that'll do it. We'll catch you on the next one.